We've become a launch pad for a career in college readiness. Our students deserve this. They deserve the exposure. They deserve to walk into a space that they can be proud of. I believe that this will increase the engagement, the love for school, connecting those real world experiences, and having the look to go with it. I think that it will motivate our students, and there's so many benefits that will come from that.
Well, I feel like a lot of power and a lot of responsibility. That's what I feel like when I come into this new building, because there's a lot more space, there's a lot more areas to walk around, move around, and say hi to people, and really getting a connection with others, which makes it feel really great.
When the school has the newness, the exuberant energy, the synergy among people, all of this are going to help contribute to provide our student one of the most remarkable learning experiences.
So my favorite thing about this building that they just completed would be like all the windows. It's really very illuminating, you know, it's not gloomy compared to the old building where it was kind of dusty, you know, it looked like it needed some renovating, and it's very modernized now compared to it. So I really like it. It reminds me of a college campus, and I kind of like that vibe, you know. It's really comforting to me.
Your physical spaces, right, are the areas like within your locus of control. You have somewhat control over them, and you want to provide the best possible space for your workforce, for your student population, for the individuals that you are like working for, right? Because in education, like we are in the service industry, we are serving the students of the city of Albany, right? So we want to serve them the best possible environment that we can. In addition to that, we also have some phenomenal educators and support staff and administrators here, and we want to provide the best possible workspace for them as well, because if you really want success, you have to be surrounded by the best possible environment.
It does make me and maybe others more prepared for college, because they're already in a more college-like atmosphere, and it's almost like we're going to a college campus, and it's amazing.
It's important to have a good atmosphere to learn, and simply because of the fact that when you have I would say a sturdy place to come, like a building to walk into, you know, that the building is not falling apart and there's crappy furniture and things like that, it gives a student not a good feeling. But when they do have a situation like that, where they come into a bright new building and bright new things in terms of a classroom, it gives them a point of security, and they're more eager to enter the building than opposed to leaving it.
I feel like it's important to have a nice space to learn, because it will make people more engaged and make them want to be here, and it can open up more opportunities for people. As a student that goes to the school, I feel like the community did a great thing trying to improve the school and help everybody. I feel like adding the CTE to the Albany High building is a great thing, because you don't have to go back and forth from Albany High to the Brooklyn, which can make time shorter, and it feels more engaged and more like unified as a school.
I think for me it makes us feel like heard or listened, because, you know, they did all of this for us, you know. Coming here really motivates me, and it makes me want to succeed, and that's why I really enjoy coming here all the time. There isn't a time where I don't want to come.